4 to 19. Obviously, they're watching some tape. You know, every time a kill's sealing, they're flopping, and they're making a basketball play. So we've got to be smarter with that too, right? Fouls today, free throws, 42 to 20. We've got to manage that and be better, right? But you know, whatever way we got it, whatever it takes to get this in, we did that. We haven't done anything now. Now we have to focus on one more game to get it done.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Jansen, if I remember it correctly, this is your first best player of the game recognition. Even in game 1, ang ganda rin ng minuto ng production, like quality minutes for the team. But talk about yung tiwala na pinapakita sa'yo or binibigay sa'yo ng coaches mo sa Meralco.
First of all, I want to thank them. Yun nga, sinasabi sa amin mga coaches na kailangan doblehin yung hard work na binibigay sa amin. Tsaka, siyempre, lebra yun. Kailangan maging focus ka. Every possession talaga maganda. Kaya, yung tinitake ko lang, every time na pinapasok ko ni coach, talagang mindset ko lagi is ready. Kasi, hindi mo masasabi. Nga, ayun, thank you Lord kasi hindi ko na yung